What if you could open a tool and type design me a dashboard for fitness tracking app and have a completely usable UI in front of you in under literally 30 seconds. No Figma design experience, just text prompt. That's exactly what Uizard promises. And in this video, I'm putting it to the test. I'm going to run 3 real design prompts through Uizard's free tier and show you what actually comes out, the good, the bad, and whether it's something a designer should be using or it's just a gimmick. Hey, welcome back to Justify Designs, the channel where I review the design tools that matters to you. I'm your host Hassan, and today we are going deep on Uizard. So without wasting any time, let's jump into it. Uizard is an AI-powered design tool that lets you generate app screens, wireframes, and design mockups from just text prompts. It also has a screens how to design feature where you can upload an image of an existing app or website and it will recreate the layout for you in an editable design file. The free plan gives you access to the code generation on features with some usage limitations, but they are actually enough to fully explore the tool and decide if it actually fits your workflow. No credit card required. You just sign up and you are in. It's actually aimed at 3 audiences: non-designers who need to mock up app ideas, designers who want to rapidly prototype concepts, and product teams who need quick wireframe for stakeholder reviews. Let's see how well it actually performs for each one of those. Alright, so let's begin the test number 1. I'm going to type something to the AI agent and I'm saying design a mobile dashboard for a fitness tracking app. Show daily steps, calories burned, water intake, and a weekly activity chart. Dark theme, modern style. And let's hit continue, and from here I can dark and modern. Now let's wait and see what it comes up with. Okay, so the AI has done its magic. Now it's saying we need to upgrade plan to see that, but we can obviously preview it as well. So let's zoom in a bit. Now look at this and think, is it perfect? I don't think so. The typography hierarchy is a bit flat and some of the spacing feels slightly off. But as a starting wireframe to communicate the concept, this would take a designer about 20 to 30 minutes to sketch out manually. Uizard actually generated in about 30 to 40 seconds. The real value here is speed. You are not getting a polished design, you are getting a conversation starter that you can refine in Figma or Adobe XD. Okay, now let's build a new test. Let's say we want it for desktop, and here we have pasted the details. Now click next. Now it will come up with new designs for the e-commerce product app. Let's see what are the results that come through here. Okay, so AI has generated us the results. We cannot actually use them because we don't have a paid account here, but you can see the result is clean product screen with a large image area at the top and the product name and the price clearly displayed. A size selector row here as well, and color swatches are available as well. And here the CTA is prominent as well, and this is very standard e-commerce pattern, and Uizard handles it well because it's been trained on common UI patterns. What I noticed is that Uizard is strongest when you are asking standard, well-established UI layouts. The more conventional your request, the better the outcome. If you ask for something very unconventional or experimental, the results get messier. But for most everyday app design scenarios, on-brand screens, dashboards, product pages, setting screens, it does generally a great job. Okay, so we are here in the empty canvas and we are going to perform the test number 3. And test number 3 is a feature that I find most impressive, the screenshot to design tool. I am uploading a screenshot of a popular weather app which I am not going to name the app, but let's see how it performs. I go to screenshot scanner, I select mobile, and it would ask me to upload the image. Now let me upload an image. From here we can do that. I think drag and drop is not working. Now let's see how it goes. Now as you can see, Uizard scans the layout and reconstructs it into an editable design file with separate components for background, the temperature display here, and the hourly forecast as well. Every element here, like the text, is editable. I can click on temperature number and change it how much I want. For example, here something like this, or here something like this. I can change the colors as well. This is generally useful for designers who want to study how an existing app is built, or who are doing a redesign and want a starting point that matches the original structure. It's like reverse engineering a UI without having to manually recreate every element. At the moment, as you can see, the image quality was not so much that good, as I have placed 3 different screen layouts here, so that's why the Uizard is not getting up these UI elements here. So that's my bad actually. It's not a problem from the Uizard guys, I think. Okay, so what's the honest verdict? The output quality is good enough to communicate, but not polished enough to hand directly to a client. The AI sometimes gets spacing wrong, the component styles are not always consistent, and complex custom layouts are beyond its current capabilities. But that's actually the wrong way to think about it. Uizard is not trying to be Figma. It's trying to be the thing you used before Figma. The rapid ideation layer where you generate options fast, pick a direction, and then go and refine it in your main tool. For that use case, I would give it a solid 7 out of 10. It generally speeds up early stages of design process, and the free tier is more than enough to test it properly. You would probably be asking who should actually use it. I would say beginner designers who need confident boost to start projects, product managers who need quick mockups for stakeholder alignment, freelancers who want to rapidly explore before going deep. Who should not rely on it? Senior designers doing complex, highly customized UI systems. The overhead of fixing Uizard output might be more than just starting from scratch. That's the full Uizard review, and here is the short version. Impressive, rapid prototyping and idea generation, but it's not a replacement for real design software. Try out the free tier yourself at uizard.io. No credit card, no excuses. And tell me, have you tried Uizard, or is there any UI tool you want me to review? Drop them in the comments below. I literally build my videos casual from your suggestions. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe for weekly design tool reviews, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.